Welcome to Sailing Buena Isla. We're sailboat liveaboards, living the minimalistic lifestyle while traveling to new places by water. Come and join the adventure. Hey Bailey! Do you like the boat life? Yeah? You love it outside, don't you? Did you get a treat? Bailey likes to sniff the wind everywhere. Good morning! So today in this video we are actually going to have some of our friends from Calgary. That's where we actually moved from originally. They're going to come and visit us on our sailboat, which is really exciting because we miss them, but also we are going to have our first guests on our sailboat since buying it. So that's really exciting. So we're going to take you along the day. I think we're going to go out for lunch together and maybe go to the beach and then of course come on the boat and everything. So we'll get their reactions. Hopefully they like it. Bailey's with me. Hi Bailey! She loves the outdoors. Yeah, and then me and Christian, we're going to tell you guys what we named our sailboat. I think you guys already know what we named our sailboat, but we're going to tell you why we named what we named our sailboat Buena Isla and what the meaning behind it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey! You're in our vlog! Say hi!
This is beautiful.
You never let me film you. He's gonna go down. Hey, I'm gonna film your guys' reaction.
Yeah. Is that what you're calling it?
Wow. 30 feet. You guys can come check out. You guys wanna walk in?
Oh, hello. Hello.
Just watch your head, alright? You don't hit yourself.
Oh my gosh, so cute. Wow. I really like what you've done.
Thank you.
It's so funny.
Thanks.
Wow, you guys.
You like it?
Yeah, that's so awesome. It's very homey. And how's this little one doing?
Doing good.
Yeah.
You're on a boat.
I'm doing it.
What do you think?
It's awesome.
Want to see inside, Jason?
Yeah, I'd love to.
What do you think, Jason? I want your reaction.
That's yeah.
It's beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Yay.
It's actually way more spacious than I was expecting.
I know, right? That's what I'm saying. You get to go on board and then you're like, oh. Yeah, those windows have to be replaced eventually.
Yeah,
so.
they're like a little cracked.
Yeah, it's not like an emergency, but that's part of boats. It's like maintenance, right? Like.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, the ocean, right? It's just like constantly.
Yeah.
The moisture and the salt is just.
Oh yeah, we're always wiping things down as it gets steamed. But like even just cooking, you gotta wipe it a bit quickly because you don't want things to get moldy.
Yeah, nice wood in here.
Yeah, it's teak. Tell me your thoughts of the sailing life, of what you think.
It's very brave.
I think it's brave. What do you think?
Brave. I thought she was gonna say stupid, but.
Hey, we want honesty here. We want honesty in this channel.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Like so many people talk about doing this sort of thing and dream about doing it, but they never actually do it.
Yeah.
I like your screw it, just do it attitude.
Yeah, we're figuring things out along the way.
Yeah.
You know, that's good. What do you think, Christian? What is your perspective on the sailing so far?
So far, so good. I just have to figure out the shower situation, and then we'll be really good.
Any way that you could just flood this part so that you could make it
It's
a
like
tub?
a bathtub.
The bottom in there, and so you.
Oh, it's
Which beach are we at?
We're at Souk Beach.
Whiff and Spit.
A whiff and spit.
The Spit.
Yeah.
And right there is the United States.
That's right. What part of the United States?
Washington,
Washington.
the Olympic Mountains.
Yep. That's right.
You can still see snow on the tops.
It's beautiful. So we're at Whiff and Spit. That's a beach here in Souk. That's where we're checking out today, and we're actually here with Jason and Arifa. They're from Calgary and they came to visit while they were here in BC, so it's really fun. It's really nice to see some people that are from home in Calgary, and we got to show them our boat, which was really fun. We just had a really nice day. We hung out at the boat, then we went into town, went and saw a museum, and got some food, got some fish and chips, and then now we're here at the beach and enjoying the sunset, and it's so nice. It's a teepee. Well, not a teepee, a fort.
Maybe, yeah.
I'll put a twig.
Did you add something?
Yep, you gotta add something.
Does that windsock work really well?
On the camera?
Yeah.
Sometimes, depends on the direction of the wind. I'll put a twig on. A twig, I mean, that twig is so small. Something you gotta add to it. Put this one up. Did you add something?
As it collapses.
Oh,
Oh no.
I was in that sleeping.
Concussion. Stabbed someone. I like the Canada flag.
And if you do that. Hey guys, what's up?
Hey,
How's it going?
we just finished having some dinner.
And it was good.
It's always good when you see the water.
It was really good. Well, I'm here. I'm just chilling here with my beautiful wife. And we're just enjoying the nice waves that we're getting from whenever other boaters pass by. It's a little bit chilly.
It's a bit rocky. Oh yeah, when
It's
you're
a
on the
nice
water,
day.
it's a bit breezy.
It's good though.
It's good. It's fresh.
Yes. All right. So
We
a
wanted
little
to
bit
tell
of a-
you why we named our boat
Yes.
Buena Isla.
Yes.
How do you pronounce it? Because you're the Latino.
Yep. So I was sitting by myself and I came up with this idea. Oh, how about Buena Isla? So what it means is good island or beautiful island. And we just thought that maybe that might be a good name for this boat because, you know what, this is our own little island. And wherever we go, this island always, you know, we live on this island and it's personal, you know, as liveaboards. Katja has made it very comfortable inside. So we really like her touches. But we had other ideas as well, but this one just was coming back.
Yeah, and it's got a catchy ring to it. Like, it sounds nice. And like you said, it's like kind of like a little island wherever we go. And it's very, like, the boat life is good to us. So it's like a good island, a good experience. And
Yep.
we hope that we can also resonate the good experience with you guys. And when you watch our videos, you feel the same vibes.
Yeah.
But it's fun, yeah, called Buena Isla. And now our dinghy, we named it Villa Villa Kula. Well, I did, from Pippi Longstocking, to all my European people who know that cartoon. I wanted to originally, like years ago, name our boat Villa Villa Coola, and Christian's like, yeah, no.
I just something was just saying maybe something else.
So I named the dinghy that. We agreed to that. But that's kind of behind the reason why we named it Buena Isla, Sailing Buena Isla.
I just want to ask a question for you guys. What do you think of this name for our son,
Oh dear.
Ronald McDonald? No? Okay, next.
Not
next
even a
topic.
middle name. Not even a middle name.
Okay.
It's concerning, quite frankly.
But you know what? This home, our little sailboat, this is our little palace. So wherever we go, it's home. And every time we have people come over, we take pictures with them, and then we hang it, a little Polaroid.
Yeah.
It's inside. So we already have a few pictures of us with friends and even some strangers, and that's what this journey is about. We're meeting people, and we're lucky when we get visitors from our friends come over, like Jason and Arifa as well. So that was also nice. But yeah, that's why we named this boat Buena Isla.
Yeah.
And this channel is called Sailing Buena Isla because that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a lot of sailing.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed hearing a little bit more about that. And thanks to Jason and Arifa to coming on our boat and visiting us.
Yeah. Yeah, we had a good chat. Good time. Hope you guys are doing well. Jason and Arifa, we miss you guys.
Yeah. Come back.
All right.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bailey, is it your birthday today? Yeah? It's your birthday. How old are you? You're 10 years old. So in dog years, that's like your 70s. You're in your 70s now. How do you feel? We love you so much. And what are you going to have for your birthday? Are you going to have a Caesar? Your favorite snack? Yeah? Okay, we'll give it to you. Hey, Bailey. You want a little treat? Happy birthday! Okay, sit, stay. Okay. And this is her new shirt. It's a very nice shirt. I'm a little offended. I have a present for you too. Come up here. Sit. What is it? Happy birthday! I think she likes it.